There's a chair on the porch and a breeze through the corn, and a photo turned yellow where memories are worn. The gate swings slow with a whispering sound, like voices of those who still walk this ground. The fields don't rush, the sky don't roar. Time here moves like an old oak door, and the only beat is the sway of the grass, like a fiddle weeping as the seasons pass. Where the silence sings and the wind hums low, I find my peace in the undertow. No drum, no clash, just strings and sky, like a whisper from a soul that never said goodbye. Where the silence sinks, that's where I stay. There's a trail past the barn where my granddad prayed, where his boots left prints that never fade. The cattle still graze by the old split rail, and the air smells like cedar and morning pale. A lark takes flight with no need for sound, just grace in motion above this ground. And I don't need noise to feel alive, just the hum of strings and the sky's soft sigh. Where the silence sings and the wind hums low, I find my peace in the undertow. No drum, no clash, just strings and sky, like a whisper from a soul that never said goodbye. Where the silence sings, that's where I stay. Let the rhythm be the sway of a tree, let the steel slide carry what's left of me. If heaven has a sound, it ain't loud, it's a note that floats above the cloud. Where the silence sings and the wind hums low, I find my peace and I let it show. No drum, no clash, just the evening light and a song in my chest that feels just right. Where the silence sings, I'll fade away. There's a road I take when the world feels loud, past the fence line under cotton clouds, where the wheat grows wild and the silence speaks. I find myself in the gentle creeks. My old dog runs like he used to do, kicking up dust in his Sunday shoes. The house is worn, but it still stands proud, and the wind plays songs that don't need sound. Singing fields of gold and whispered dreams, I lay down worries in the seams. The sky paints peace in fading light, and every shadow holds me tight. This land remembers who I've been. It calls me back again and again. Fields of gold and whispered dreams, that's where I breathe, that's where I'm free. There's a quilt still hanging on the back porch rail. Smells like sun and stories I could never tell. I hear my father in the way the trees sway soft and slow with the evening breeze. Mama's voice in the swings, old grown, telling me, son, you're never alone. It's more than dirt, more than sky. It's the reason I can sleep at night. Singing fields of gold and whispered dreams, I lay down worries in the seams. The sky paints peace in fading light, and every shadow holds me tight. This land remembers who I've been. It calls me back again and again. Fields of gold and whispered dreams, that's where I breathe, that's where I'm free. Some chase cities, lights and fame, but me, I've always stayed the same. I find my truth in quiet things, like how a sparrow folds its wings. Singing fields of gold and whispered dreams, time stands still, or so it seems. Every breeze brings back my name, and songs that don't need fortune or fame. Fields of gold and whispered dreams, that's home to me. That's where I'll